Flood. Flooding is an overflowing of water into land that is normally dry. Flood can happen during heavy rains, when ocean's waves comes on the shore, when snow melts quickly, or when dams or levees breaks. Flood can occur within minutes or a hour-long period and may last for days, weeks, or longer. What is an avalanche? The word avalanche is derived from French word avalanche, meaning descent. An avalanche is a mass of snow, often mixed with ice and debris, which travel down mountains, mountainside, destroying in all its path. Types of avalanche. To help in understanding of avalanche, there have been classified into 4 types. Loose snow avalanche. First of these are the loose snow avalanche. They are common on steep steeps and are seen often on the fresh snowfall. Since the snow does not have time to settle down fully or has been made more loose by the sunlight, the snow peaks is not very sheered. Such avalanche have a single point of origin from where they widen as they travel down these slopes. And slab avalanche is low snow avalanche in turn could cause a slab avalanche, which are characterized by fall of large blocks of ice down the slopes. This slab caused a fairly small amount of damage, while the thick one responsible for more fatalities. Powder snow avalanche are a mix of the other forms, loose snow and slab. The bottom half of this avalanche consists of slab or a dense concentration of snow, ice and air. Above this is a cloud of powder snow, which may be snow into the larger avalanche as it progresses down the slab. The speed attained by these avalanche can cross miles per hour and they can cross larger distance. 4 type is wet snow avalanche. Finally, there are wet snow avalanche. They are quite dangerous as they are travel slowly due to friction, which collect debris from path fairly easily. The avalanche comprise of water and snow at the beginning, but understanding of avalanche has showed that it can pick up speed with ease. Causes of avalanche. There are no one reason behind the development of avalanche. It was believed for long that the echo of a human voice in the mountain could distort enough snow to start. Similarly, a person's weight can cause an avalanche too. The sudden condition of the weight can fracture a weak area of snow. However, scientific understanding of mountain avalanche shows that there are many environmental factors at work for snow avalanche. Snow strain and wind direction. Heavy snowstorms are mostly likely the cause of avalanche. The 24 hours after a storm are considered to be most critical. Wind normally blows from one side of the slope of the mountain to another side while blowing up its will snow. Snow off the surface which can overhauling the mountain. Heavy snowfall. Heavy snowfall is first since its deposit snow is unstable area and put pressure on the snow peak. Precipitation during the summer month is the leading cause of wet snow avalanche. Human activity. Humans have contributed to the start of many avalanches. In recent years, wind sports that require steep slope often put pressure on the snow peak, which can't deal. Combined with the heavy deforestation and soil erosion in mountain region, it gives the snow little stability in winter months. Further natural causes include earthquake and tremors, since they are often create cracks into the snow peaks. Vibration or movement. The use of all trades, vibrations and snowmobiles create vibration within the snow that can't withstand. Coupled with the gravitational pulls, it is one of the quickest way to cause an avalanche. The other is the construction work dense with explosives which tend to weaken the entire surrounding area. Layer of snow. There are conditions where snow is already on the mountain and has turned into ice. Then fresh snowfall on the top which can easily slide down. There are conditions where snow is already on the mountain and has turned into ice. Then fresh snowfall on the top which can easily slide down. Steep slope. Layer of the snow build up and slide down the mountain at fresh water at steep slope can increase the speed of snow at rock or piece of huge ice or shake the snow and cause it to come down. Warm temperature. Warm temperature that can last several hours a day can weaken some of the upper layer of snow and cause it to slide down. Effect of avalanche. Damage to life and property, flash flood and economic impact. This question was asked in Gyari military base avalanche in Pakistan, April 2016, General Science paper, General Science and Ability. On April 7, 2012, an avalanche occurring in the, this is from past paper solved. On April 7, 2012, an avalanche occurring in the distributed Siachen region of Indo-Pakistan claimed 138 victims. These included soldiers and civilian employees alike of the Northern Light Battalion at Gyari military base, Ganji, Pakistan. This incident drew the attention of the government of both India and Pakistan to resolve the Siachen dispute, which since 1984 has led to the death of large number of soldiers from both sides. These deaths were primarily due to the harsh climate condition prevailing in the region. And another question was that Gyari, what type of avalanche was that? Types of avalanche was also asked, so I have explained previously. Traveling cyclone. This is asked about its North Pole and South Pole. And tropical area. East and West USA having hurricane and Japan experienced typhoon. Conditions for formation of typhoons. Tropical cyclone. Ocean temperature should be at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit or more. Ocean should be 50 meters below the surface. When the cloud air 74 miles per hour, then they cause hurricane. Stages. Tropical disturbances in warm ocean, the most warm air goes upward. Tropical depression, warm air, positive change. Cloud air, negative change. And negative charge move toward positive charge, then it causes storms. Tropical cyclone storms having speed of 70 miles per hour and hurricane speed is 74 miles per hour. Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. These are the scale levels. C1 1 to 74 and 95 mph. C2 96 to 110 mph. C3 is 111 to 129 mph and C4 is 130 to 156 mph and C5 is more than 157 mph and everything will be damaged at this level. Middle latitude cyclone or extratropical cyclone, it can occur in the low pressure areas. This cyclone causes raining. It will determine weather of area 30 to 70 latitude area. It occurs in these countries. It is also called as wave cyclone. Heavy rainfall, heavy raining or tornado. And cyclone. A cyclone is an atmospheric system of rapidly circulating air made of low pressure center using occupied by the schemy, often destructive weather storm that begin in the southern Pacific are cyclone. Tornado. A tornado is a rotating column of air ranging in width from a few yards to more than a mile and whirling at destructive high speed, usually occupied by the by a formal shape download extension of the cumulus cloud wind 40 to 300 mph. Now, another is drought. A drought is an event of prolonged shortage in the water supply, whether atmosphere, surface water, or groundwater. A drought can last for months or years or may be declared after a few as 15 days.